So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, and then we're going to expand system, and then we're going to expand control set 001, and now you want to expand services, and now you want to scroll down and then click on NDU, and you want to find NDU. Click on this, and now all this will appear on the right side. And now once you're on this, you want to find the value data that's called start. If you do not have start, then you want to right click on any blank space, click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. And then you want to name this as start and click on enter. I already have it, so I'm just going to delete this. But once you find start, you want to double click on it, and then you want to change the value data in this box to 4, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on S on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down until you find sysmain. If you don't have sysmain, you might have something that's called superfetch. It's the same thing. But once you find sysmain or superfetch, you want to double click on it. And then you want to change the startup type to disabled. And then click on stop. And then click on OK. And now for the third step, you want to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the startup apps tab. And now once you're here, you want to disable all the applications that you don't want to start when your computer turns on. So for example, if I don't want CCleaner to automatically start up when my computer turns on, I'm going to click on it once and then click on disable. And the status will change to disabled. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you just want to delete the programs that you don't actually use anymore or that you don't need. So the way to do that, let's say I want to delete CCleaner, I'm just going to click on the three dots next to it and then click on uninstall. And then just uninstall it. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to select the drive that you want to clean up. I recommend doing your Windows drive, or you could just do all of them. So in my case, I'm just going to be going on with the C drive, which is my Windows drive. I'm going to click on OK. And now you want to select everything here. These are just some temporary files. You can select everything here. And then you want to click on clean up system files. Select your C drive again, or whatever drive that you want. Select all the files here again. And then click on OK. Click on delete files. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now. Click on enter. And now you want to run the scan. Now once the scan's been complete, now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.